This is very natural. We're just very naturally standing in front of the church in the TV.
Very.
So, Fadi and I, we've known each other now.
We've known
21
each other
سنة.
21 سنة.
Yeah.
بس هاي أول مرة رح
بس
تطلع.
أنا كنت صغير يعني 14 15 وأنت كنت زي 30.
I'm actually younger than you.
Shut the
By
fuck
6
up.
years.
By
No,
6
4
years?
years, 4 years.
عن جد? Yeah.
So, Maysoon,
Yes.
what are we gonna do?
Apparently, English or
English.
Arabic. Apparently, we're gonna cook. And the reason that this is funny is because even though I'm Palestinian and I should know how to cook since I'm like 5 years old, I have never cooked anything.
Nothing.
Nothing. I've
You like
never
never
even
fried
boiled
an
an egg. When fried? When Zayid, like oil and fire. I have cerebral palsy. I shake all the time. It's dangerous. Also, the egg would just crack in my hand.
Well, that's the whole idea.
No,
give me
the
like-
shells become part of it.
Look, having a disability doesn't mean you can't cook. And on the contrary, I think today kitchens are changing all over the world. Like I'm talking
Do
about
you think
professional
so?
kitchens.
Are you seeing kitchens look
Of
different?
course, they're starting to change. Not enough, not as it should be, but everybody who has a disability should be able to eat and cook
Right.
in the same
Yeah.
conditions. And for me, it's like very important to know anybody cooks. But we're gonna cook Palestinian.
I'm really excited because I honestly do love to try different things, and like, you know, my whole thing is like can.
Yeah.
Can doesn't mean you can succeed. So it's good to at least try. But if I don't succeed, you have to cook something else for me because I'm hungry. So Dedwan, we're falahin, which means we're farmers.
Yeah.
And my grandfather, my mother, and I all have very green thumbs. Very green thumbs.
So what did you plant
So-
other than the almonds?
I was born and raised in Jersey, but I spent every single summer in Dedwan. There was no internet, there was nothing. So we planted almonds. We also used to bag the grapes. So we had grapevines and
Go in here.
let's go in here.
شوية بهارات, right?
Okay? Oh, I love it, hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I really do. I have a good sense of smell. Salam.
Cool.
كيفك شو أخبارك?
You said pine nuts.
I love pine nuts. But I have a great sense of smell for
You do.
everybody loves some mac. Everybody loves some mac.
You're gonna put some mac بالكيس
Oh
هذا.
my god.
يلا.
هاي منيحة challenge. طب انت عليك
أجيب لك السماك.
at least hold the keys. This is bad.
This is not bad. This is.
Oh, this smells so good.
Yalla.
I want some MAC hairspray.
Oh.
Also, I don't want the chunky piece. قديش يعني
حط
نص.
قد ما بدك.
It's gonna fall.
It's not gonna fall. It's
على
gonna be
الحفرة
okay.
يا زلمة. زيحة.
يلا.
I'm so scared. Okay, I got it. Sorry.
كان
بسم
كان.
الله الرحمن الرحيم. Let's do it. Okay, can. Here we go. Teamwork makes the dream work.
You see?
Oh, that's good.
Well done.
أكتر ولا
لا،
مي؟
بكفي.
Okay, cool. I want to do more.
You want to do more? يلا.
It
'Cause your phone has your sticker on it.
does with the QR code.
And when you attacked me in Philadelphia, you actually put your sticker on my phone.
I'm so
That's a
good
technique.
at it. When I attacked you.
See?
Well, I did.
You did.
Yeah. So,
Maysoon.
I used to go to the Hisbah
Yeah.
in Ramallah all the time. What's a Hisbah in English?
A market.
Like
But
a-
هون it's a souk.
Like a wet
بمطعم.
market? Oh,
Like
a
a
souk.
souk.
Yeah, souk is relatable. So we would go to the Hisbah, and people from all the surrounding villages would
Yeah.
bring like fresh greens.
Yeah.
And it was like batir brought eggplants, and then other people brought string beans.
It's true.
But I hate the Hisbah
Why'd you hate it?
because there are a lot of flies, and there was also meat, and the Hisbah was a lot. It was like sensory overload.
مرحبا نبيل.
يا مرحبا يا نبيل.
شرفنا.
شرفنا.
شو اخبارك؟ الحمد لله. نبيل is from رطاس.
من الرطاس. تشرفنا أنا من دبوان. هلا بيك.
ميسون هي ممثلة فلسطينية أمريكية وما عمرها بحياتها طبخت.
ولا عمري في حياتي طبخت شيء. بيضة ما سلكت شيء. شايف؟ ام نبيل فهمانة بتقول بديش الطبيخ.
عندي بنت فاطمه بتعرف بتقول والله لموت ما بخش المطبخ بقول اختها الابغر سنه رابعه جامعه اخر سنه يا فنانه يعني فنانه.
المهم انت
انا
اشطر طباخه بالقصه.
انا والله الحمد لله وبحب الطبيخ على الحطب.
طب انا عندي سؤال، شو الطبيخ اللي انت بتزبطيه اكثر شيء؟ بس اذا لازم تنكي واحده.
انا اكثر شيء بحب ورق الدوالي، بحب بطبخ على الحطب.
على الحطب.
الله يرضى عليك. الله يرضى عليك حبيبي يا
والله كتاب الدوالي عوالك
انا على النار. هاي بناتي طلعت من شول على النار.
على النار.
واو ما شاء الله. على الحطب. انا ورك على الحطب ما اكلتهاش، هاي فكره كثير حلوه.
بس ما انت بتاكليش لحمه.
لا بس انا باكل ورق دوالي زمان، رويت على الورق دوالي قبل ما بطل.
مع اللحمه.
يا
جينا في يوم الحرب والقطيع.
عشان اوقف معكم، عشان بضل كلكان وانا مش قريب.
كل ساعه بعيط على الفطور. ضليت وقعدت 5 دقائق. والله العظيم 3 اشهر ما هبطت. ما هبطت.
بس لازم تتنفسي ولازم تضلي قوية بكز هذا هو أجساد مناضلة، نضل نكين في الأكل من الأراضي تبعنا ومسيطرين حالنا، لازم نوطي الضغط. الله كبير الله كبير الله كبير. Oh my God.
What?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
لا بس تاكلش لحمه من مره. بس في شيء بتعشقه هو اللبن جميل. فقلت لها احسن لبن جميل. Honestly, it's the best.
Oh my God.
Should we take you into the fridge?
Yeah,
Of the
you
beef?
should.
Are you
Absolutely. Yeah. I'm fine. I'm ready. Should I put my sweatshirt? Is it really
No.
cold?
Okay. Yalla.
Oh my God. Bismillah.
Come on. You're in here.
What do you see?
What do I see?
Yeah, what do you see?
Palestinian Baladi sheep.
No, but what do you see? Why do you like this?
Why do I like this?
Yeah.
Because I see one thing for me is that the whole animal is being used.
Use.
The
There's no
fat
waste.
is being used. The tails are like everything's being used.
Everything.
And I think I agree with you that today how we eat meat is wrong and we're committing horrible crimes. But I still think humanity is going to go on eating meat, and at least we have to do it responsibly and use the whole animal. Do shawarma and kebab and you're using all the cuts.
Don't kill the animals. Just don't kill them. Yalla. وين اللبن تبعي? I want my dishes. This is actually my favorite thing in the world. This is my favorite thing in the world. هذا أنا لابس أسود يا زلمة.
Okay, I've never seen anybody do this. We cut a piece. Which way?
أنا بقول التفاح. أنا بقول التفاح.
This is fantastic, right?
It's so good.
Come on.
Oh my God, it's so good.
We're not gonna cook today. She's just gonna eat this خلاص, right?
ولا عليك، مش أنا وياك قعدنا عايشين قبال بعض 10 سنين. أنا ميسون اللي كنت أعيش في دار حنظل. أنت نسيتيني.
والله انا بقول شايفه الوجه الحلو بس وين؟
فأنا كنت عايش على ستار ستريت على شارع النجم.
أيوة، أنا
قبال
في اليوم.
يا وأنت كنت تساعديني في الغسيل وفي المية وكل القصص. يا
كيف انت منيحه حبيبتي؟
عيني لسه عايشة ختيرت.
لا لا
ختيرت.
ساتك شباب حبيبي.
حبيبتي
أحلى
الله
يوم.
يعافيك العافية حبيبتي. تشوفي قد ما ببعدونا احنا بنضل صامدين. في امل في امل.
ان شاء الله. كلامك يبقى طاهر ويطلع للسماء.
ان شاء الله يا رب. انت بتعرف كل هالسنين.
خلاص انا باخذ منه هو 10%.
It's too hot, dude. No, it's too hot.
What do you mean it's too hot?
It's hot, dude. ما نقدرش نسوي خبيزة بدون خبز.
How are you gonna scoop the خبازة?
Oh, you gotta scoop that. Because Food tastes better when you eat it with your hand. This is wonderful. I've walked through these streets so many times. It was like destination, and I didn't stop and see at all
Our
what was around me.
destination is here.
Okay.
What do Palestinians have on a table that's missing? مخلل.
خن.
Pickles.
يا خن. أنا اسمي ميسون زايد، أنا من دير دبوان. أنت حضرتك مين؟ سامر تشرفنا.
يعني من بيت لحم؟ لا مش من بيت لحم. نص نص. نص نص.
My mom from Bethlehem.
وأبوك؟
من وين؟ احذري استنى. من وين؟ إذا
منين؟
بيبيع إشي زاكي من وين
زاكي
بيكون؟
من نابلس.
100%.